Okay, it is nighty night time once again, and I am just exhausted. And I don't want to have to do the whole routine of, putting everybody in because I left the door closed tonight. So I'm going to take another step towards letting go of my control issues and just go to bed and leave the door open. Now, first, I want you to hear something. I'm in the bathroom. And I've got the phone against the screen. Rain shower. The last few moments of the rain shower. Okay, so got Prissy girl here. Hey Prissy. Hey baby. Oh, look at this. Is this sweet or what? So we have the bee dolls set up around here. Normally she faces this way, but now she's facing this way. Look at that. So sweet. Okay, baby. Probably as soon as I open the door, she's gonna come in. And see our girl. Oh baby, hey. Always gotta clean her eyes. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, baby. Okay, Sierra girl. What? What? Oh, what? Sorry, baby. You're sorry. She squawked there a little bit. Oh, I know. She looks so funny. Shaved like this. That's okay. Okay, she's grumpy. No, 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 no. You stay there. And Sammy boy. Shanti, the guardian queen. Oh my goodness, look at this. They're kind of like intertwined. Okay, night night, guys. I love it. She wants to go in so bad. So, um, I was okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I always have to count. Okay, and I couldn't find the last one. Miko. No, not Miko. Freudian slip again. Not Miko. Tally, but he is the living embodiment of Tally. He's the living embodiment of Miko. So I make that mistake because Miko is the cat that we lost. Gosh, over a year ago, 14 months ago, and so hard. Could because Miko and Tally were so close. Miko mentored Tally, just like Tally has mentored Jordy. Okay, so anyway, when I say that, I oftentimes do that, and any parent knows, when you mix up your kids' names, common. So, okay, so we're going to bed now, and by the way, I want to let you listen to the night sounds, but I'm going to do that from the bedroom. Okay, that's it. Gonna go see what's happening in the bedroom, and then leave the door open and see who comes to join me. Okay, just gonna turn the light off, and then I saw this. Oh, look at this. Look, it's just so sweet. So sweet. Look, they're intertwined. Okay, love it. So now the light is gonna go off, and into the bedroom we go. Okay, in the bedroom, and it's kind of strange being in here by myself. He came in, the door's open, and Prissy, I brought her in, and she immediately, of course, went under the bed. You little brat. But I still love, love, love you. And listen to this. Listen. I just love it, the sound of rain, gently raining, and the frogs serenading the rain. They just celebrate, yes, and sing their songs of love. These are truly songs of love. The lover calling for the beloved. They are, after all, mating calls, right? You know? Wow. This is the juicy, exotic, powerful desires of the lover for the beloved. Can you feel it? I can. Let's share this together and vow to preserve and protect this. These blessed rhythms, pulsations, and how they bless me so, and how deeply grateful I am for them. And once again, strengthening my vow to create a world in which these natural rhythms, these exquisite, pulsating events, these intricately intertwined moments, events that comprise creation. So I honor creation and I honor the Creator, the lover, and the beloved.